what's inside the giant egg. Let's open it up. We have farm animals. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster. 公鸡. Roosters wake everyone up in the morning. Quack, quack, duck. 鸭子. Ducks love to swim in the water. What animal says moo? It's a cow. 牛. Cows give us milk. Oink, oink, a pig. 猪. Pigs love to roll in the mud to stay cool. Ba. Sheep. 羊. Sheep is so fluffy. Cluck, cluck. Chicken. 鸡. Chicken lays eggs. Neigh. Horse. 马. Horses love to eat carrots. Now you know all the farm animals in Chinese. Say goodbye to the animals. 再见.